Earth-kind living emerged in the early 1900s, initially driven by concerns about soil degradation and food scarcity. In the early 1930s, the Dust Bowl crisis in the United States highlighted the severe consequences of unsustainable agricultural practices, leading to the introduction of soil conservation techniques such as contour plowing and the establishment of crop rotation. By 1950, these practices were widely adopted across several regions. Key developments included the invention of the rotary tiller in 1918, which revolutionized farming and reduced soil erosion, and the publication of the United States Department of Agriculture's USDA Soil Conservation Service in 1939. Earth-kind living has significantly impacted the agricultural industry, with soil conservation practices saving approximately 30% of soil moisture and reducing runoff by 30%. These practices have also improved yields by up to 20% and decreased fertilizer use by 15%. The economic benefits of earth-kind living extend to the reduction of erosion-related costs, estimated at $5 billion annually. However, the transition to earth-kind living faced resistance from conventional farmers due to its initial higher costs. Despite these challenges, earth-kind living has been adopted globally, with over 80% of farmers in the United States and Europe using some form of conservation practices. Long-term effects include enhanced soil health and biodiversity, contributing to more resilient food production systems. By 2050, it is projected that earth-kind living will further reduce the carbon footprint of agriculture by 20%, helping to mitigate climate change. Continuous research and innovation in precision agriculture and biotechnology will likely lead to even more efficient and sustainable practices in the future.